So let us discuss the same thing. For identification, I drew this color field. Roy says girls and boys are violet. Orange color, it exhibits the blue. Yellow, it exhibits the violet. Now let us see this. H2O, weak field ligand, NH3amine, it's the intermediate and in the here, I'm very sorry, it is cyanide group, it should come here, CN should come here, here CN minus, it is a strong field ligand. So in this strong field ligand, the delta naught value is very small energy gap. Here it is a large because strong field, and this is intermediate, and this is a excitation energy small, intermediate, and this is large. And then absorption of the wavelength, it is a weak field, so it does absorb higher wavelength. Strong field, it is absorbs the lower wavelength of the light. And color exhibited, if it is orange color, it complementary color is blue. For orange, the complementary color is blue. And if it is a blue means intermediate, this one. So what then between blue means orange. So in between intermediate, orange and yellow will be getting. So yellow orange color. Then if it is in a strong field ligand, it is a lower wavelength of violet, means it is transmitter yellow color. So this is the way of getting this. In comparing this all the wheel, that is orange gives the blue color, and if it is an intermediate of blue color means intermediately or yellow and orange between. So if it is a strong field ligand is a violet lower wavelength means it transmitted higher wavelength of yellow. So that's illustration. Let us see the illustration. Complex Cu H2O6 in aqueous solution. Absorption band is red, orange, yellow. Spectrum means green, blue, violet is transmitted mean. What is the color of the solution? Only single color we should answer it. Then solution in the question, absorbed light is red, orange, yellow, and transmitted light is green, blue, and violet. So for a copper atomic number 29, 3D10, 4s1. Is this copper 2 plus ion? So copper 2 plus losing 2 electron becomes 3D9. So it is an octahedral complex. So T2G here and EG is top. The energy gap is large. So in ground state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So because this is a weak field ligand, so no pairing takes place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here when the light is passed through this, it absorbs the visible light. So this light, lower energy state will go to the excited state of this song. So what that is color will be seems to be in a blue color. It absorbs blue, the color will be exhibited only blue color, but it absorbs three colors, the red, orange, yellow, and transmitted light, they said a green, blue, violet. The center one, middle one, average color only to be taken, that is called blue color, is the tricks for you to find out the single color. So energy process light wave is inversely proportional to the wavelength. So violet, red, orange are absorbed, blue, green, yellow are transmitted, means green, middle color alone to be perceived. So the color is complementary to the color absorbed in the absence of a ligand. Crystal field splitting does not occur at all. So it is colorless only. Removal of water from titanium, titanium, 6 aqua is attached as the ligand, means one by one we have to remove the water molecule. On heating it gives colorless. So copper sulfate in a anhydrous state, it is in white in color. If it is in hydrated state with the containing 5H2O, it is a blue in color. So the effect of ligand on the color of the complex illustrated with the example. This is hexa aqua nickel Roman letter 2 ion. Color changes due to the presence of different ligands. Now we are going to replace the one ligand with the instead of water. So what gradually we will remove the water in the solution, but actually with the water that is green in color. The bidentate ligand, ethylene diamine, IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diamine, is gradually added, color changes occur. So remove one water, I mean, it is a bidentate, so you are not supposed to remove one water, two water to be removed. So NiH2O4 En. So it is in a pale in color after losing two water. I mean, original color is green. After losing two H2O, it becomes a pale blue. Then one more En is added to this pale blue color. That is two more H2O to be released. So NiH2O twice, En twice, two H2O is released. It is a blue and purple color. To this blue and purple color, one more En is introduced, means remaining all the water, two water is released. So NiEN3 becomes violet color. So what after losing water, the color changes takes place. So this is called by changing the Lagrange, the color changes takes place immediately. Thank you, students.